How to add integers. First, let us discuss the number line because we will use this number line to easily understand the addition of integers. So what is a number line? In math, a number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. Again, always remember that we will use number line throughout this video. So, let's get started. Let us start with this very simple example. Example number 1. 1 plus 3. I know that you already have an answer to this question, but we will solve this using a number line so that we can prove that the answer that you are thinking of is correct. First, we will locate the first integer, in this case the 1, in the number line. And in mathematics, if the number does not have a sign, it is considered as positive. So 1 is positive 1. We will mark the positive 1 in the number line. Take note that we will use the first integer in the operation as the base on our number line. We will move to the next integer. In this case, the number 3 or the positive 3. We will use the second number in the operation as our reference as to how many times we will move from the base in the number line. And since 3 is a positive integer, we will move 3 steps to the right from our base, which is the positive 1. So 1, 2, 3. As we move 3 steps to the right, we landed on positive 4. So the answer of 1 plus 3 is positive 4. Let us proceed now to the next example. Example number 2. Positive 3 plus positive 5. Again, in order to answer this question, we will draw first a number line. And then, the first step is to locate the first integer, which is the positive 3 in the number line. And the second step, let us identify whether the second number is positive or negative. In this case, it is positive 5. So, we will move 5 steps from positive 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we landed on positive 8. So the answer of positive 3 plus positive 5 is positive 8. Okay, next example. Example number 3. Positive 3 plus negative 5. Again, let us have first the number line. Then, according to the first step, we will locate the positive 3 on the number line. Then, since the second number is negative 5, we will move to the left from positive 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We landed on negative 2. So the answer of positive 3 plus negative 5 is negative 2. Example number 4. Negative 4 plus negative 5. Again, in the first step, we will draw a number line. Second step, locate the first number, which is the negative 4, in the number line. Third step, since we will add negative 4 to a negative 5, we will move 5 steps to the left of the number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It landed on negative 9. So the answer of negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9. Let us have the last example. Example number 5. Negative 7 plus positive 15. Again, draw a number line. Next step, locate negative 7 to the number line. And since 15 is a positive integer, we will move 15 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And it landed on positive 8. So the answer of negative 7 plus positive 15 is positive 8. Before I will continue, if you enjoy this topic and you learn more about adding integers because of this video, could you please hit the like button for me, as it motivates me to create new videos like this. Thank you, students. So, in adding integers, there are 2 rules. 1. If you add any integers to a negative integers, you will move to the left of the number line. And the second one, if you add any integers to a positive integers, you will move to the right of the number line. This time, it is now your turn to answer. I will give you 4 items to answer. You can use any sheets of paper. And do not forget the steps that I have mentioned earlier. I will give you 20 seconds to answer, and you can pause this video to have more time in answering. Now, let us answer the 4 items. Number 1. 5 plus negative 5. So, from positive 5, which is the base on the number line, you will move 5 steps to the left, since the second number is negative 5. So the answer of number 1 is 0. Number 2. Positive 1 plus negative 7. So, from positive 1, you will move 7 steps to the left since the second number is negative 7. So, the answer of number 2 is negative 6. Number 3. Negative 8 plus positive 6. So again, from the base negative 8, you will move 6 steps to the right since it is a positive integer, which is positive 6. So the answer of number 3 is negative 2. Last item, number 4. Negative 1 plus negative 8. So from the base of our number line, which is negative 1, you will move 8 steps to the left since the second number is a negative integer, which is negative 8. So the answer of item number 4 is negative 9. I hope that after watching this video, it is easy for you now to add integers. And If it is difficult for you to subtract integers, I suggest that you watch my YouTube videos about the subtraction of integers. Because sooner or later, maybe you will become a math wizard in your class.